tensions simmering between Indo Nepal on Kalapani issue. The issue of Kalapani dispute between India and Nepal is once again in the headlines. Nepal says that it is now very important to resolve the Kalapani issue to prevent a breach in mutual relations. The Parliament of Nepal has unanimously asked its government to intensify efforts for diplomatic resolution of the Indo-Nepal border dispute in the Kalapani region. Actually, India issued its new geopolitical map in November after the partition order of Jammu and Kashmir came into force on 31st October last year. Nepal objected to this map. Nepal said that despite being in its territory, India has shown its share in the map of Kalapani, Lipulekh, Yadura areas. However, India says that the new map accurately depicts its sovereign territory. India says that there has been no change in its border with Nepal. The government of India insisted that the new political map of India, released after the reorganization of Jammu and Kashmir, has correctly depicted boundaries. Foreign Ministry spokesperson Ravish Kumar on 2nd January 2020 said that in the new map there is no change in our border with Nepal. The Supreme Court of Nepal too has directed its government to present the actual copy of the map handed over to India during the Sugauli Treaty in 1816. The Sugauli Treaty between Nepal and British India took place in the year 1816. Under this treaty, Nepal had to relinquish all the part of the territories under its control which the King of Nepal had won by winning in the wars. These included the states of Sikkim in the northeast and the regions of Kumaon and Garhwal in the west. In this, the Mahakali River flowing through Kalapani area is considered as the Indo-Nepal border. Kalapani is an area of 372 square kilometers. China, Nepal and India border on this area. At the same time, India considers it a part of Uttarakhand while Nepal shows it on its map. The Lipulekh Pass in Uttarakhand serves as an important vantage point for India to keep a track of China's movements. The pass also serves as a trading route between India and China as well as a pilgrim route to Tibet.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more such updates. Like and share the video and let us know your queries in the comment section below.